10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our battery terminals. Now in our center console, we have two 12-volt auxiliary outlets here. Pull your cover down and that'll expose us here. Now before you start working on this here, you do want to go ahead and disconnect the battery. We're going to use a pick. I'm going to get in behind the trim cover here and pull this out. We have the outlet on the back side here, or the connector on the back. I want to go ahead and disconnect this right here. So you can use your pick or your finger if you can get that in there. Press down and get that out. Go ahead and remove that unit. Now what you want to do is remove our plug cap here. On the back side, there has a little tab on there. We're going to go ahead and rotate this. There's a notch right here for that tab to fit through. Go ahead and work this down and off. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall that on the new outlet. Now I want to go ahead and remove our plastic trim here. On the back side, there's going to be a little button right here, a little notch. Same on the other side here. So if you look inside, there's going to be little plastic buttons holding this trim on here. So we're going to go ahead and use a pick. Go ahead and pull up on this here, and while you're working on that, you can push down on the plastic. What you might be able to do is go to the inside and push on that. What I'm doing is basically just popping that tab right off. We're not loosening it. You can go ahead and just snap those right off. Go ahead and work that off. Now when installing your cap and plastic trim collar onto the outlet here, or auxiliary outlet, this has two raised notches on it here, or tabs. You can see as I'm pointing out with the pick, and then there's one on the other side. This has matching grooves. So this side has the two grooves on it, and there's a single groove on the other side. So this should line right up. Go ahead and push that on. You can hear that click right into place. So now we can go ahead and bring this down into position. And grab that electrical connector, line that up. I'm going to put that into the back side of it and push it in. And you hear that clip into place. I can go ahead and push this back. And this should snap right into place for you. And once that's in, you can go ahead and put your cover on. Go ahead and repeat the process for your other two outlets. Let's go ahead and install our battery terminal here. We're going to do our positive terminal first. Get that into place. Let's go ahead and snug this down. Slide our boot up and over. Once that cover is on, we'll go ahead and install our negative terminal. And you're all set.